How to connect Aliexpress to Wix. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to connect your Wix website to Zapier or rather Aliexpress. So over here on the left side, simply look over here and you can see all the different features that we have. So simply click on apps option over here. By opening this, we will be able to see our app market where you could check out all kinds of apps that you could integrate into your Wix. So over here, simply search for AliExpress. Here we go. And click on enter. And you will be able to find all apps that are actually able to connect you with AliExpress. So let me fix my spelling over here. AliExpress. AliExpress. There we go. And over here, we will have a better search result over here. As you can see, you will be able to have Deezers, Cartify over here, AliExpress, stuff like that. So depending on what kind of connection with AliExpress you need, there will be specific application for that. So simply select the one that you like, install it, and simply connect those two platforms together. And then you will then be able to have the connection that you want. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.